Hey everyone, it's Andrew Brown, and in this video we are going to take a look at multiple events. So I'm going to press period on my keyboard, and that's going to open this up in github.dev, since currently we still do not need any compute. And in our GitHub Actions templates folder, I have this multi-event one here that we can utilize. And so what you can see here is we have on push branches main and dev, pull request branches main. So for this to work, we're going to need an additional branch, which is what I want to do here today. So what I'm going to do is go over here. Oh, sorry, that's not our repo. We'll go back to GitHub here, and I'm going to go to my repo. You got to go to wherever yours is. I'm going to see if I have any branches. So I already have one existing. I'm going to go view all branches. I'm just going to delete mine. All right, but the idea is that you'll want to create your own. So we'll go ahead and we'll make a new one, and I'll call this one dev. And I'm making it off of main, okay? And so now we have that new branch. And so what I want to do is I want to test multiple ends. Like the question is, if we do a push, to dev, will it work? If we make a pull request, what's going to happen? So we just kind of want to observe what's going on here. So what I'm going to do is copy this template, and I'm going to paste it into our workflows directory. All right. And the question is, what's going to happen right away? Because we're pushing to main. Is it going to trigger a deploy right away? That's what I want to find out. So we'll say multi-event template. All right, and we'll commit that. And I'm going to go back over to here, and we're going to actions. And immediately we can see a run has occurred. So we'll click into that. And this has happened on push. Okay, so understand that as soon as you have push on main, it's going to occur. And all this thing does is it just says hello world, I think. There we go. Okay, so now the next question is, what happens if we do a pull request? Let's go ahead and try this. So in order to do this, I'm going to need to make some kind of change. So I'm trying to think here. We'll need to switch branches and do something. So I'm going to just go ahead and close out this tab. I'm going to switch over to dev. And I'm going to press period. Okay. And then the next thing I'm going to do is just make any kind of change. So I'm just going to go here and make a space character, trigger, workflow on dev. All right. And I'm going to go back to our repo. If you click in the hamburger menu, you can get back there quickly. And we'll go back to our actions, and we should expect to see that. So I don't see anything yet. We give this a nice refresh here. And what we'll do is we'll check our event. So they say multi-event. And we'll go here. And I want to look at the code. Sorry, I want to look at the code here. And so if there's a push to dev, it should occur, right? Because we have it there. So what I'm going to do is go back. It says found a push 46 seconds ago. Okay. But I don't see a run. So the question is, did it work? Is there delay? Why is it not working? And I don't know. So I'm just going to wait a few seconds and see what happens. Maybe it will appear. So one thought I had is, does the file exist with our change? Like, did we make the branch and then do it? Or what order did we do it in, right? So let's go over to our code base, and let's go into dev, and let's see what's in here. And we go to workflows, and we have schedules. So no, it's not. It's not in here. So the question is, will this template work even though it's not in the dev directory? And so it doesn't seem like it's going to work unless we merge it in. So that's something that we should know, because if we wanted to work in our branch, I guess we have to have that template in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and make a pull request. And I'm going to make a new pull request. And I'm going to go from main to dev. And there clearly is a change, right? We've added this here. So I'm going to go ahead and create this pull request. Right? And we'll merge the pull request. I'll confirm it. And what we'll do is we'll go up to actions, and we'll see what's happening. So notice that it's happening now, and this is happening on what? So click into this, and it's happening on this pull request, right? So notice we still don't have anything on dev. So now the question is, if we make another change here, I'm going to go ahead and refresh this. Okay, just in case this is mucked up, I'm just going to close this out and reopen it again, making sure I'm on dev. I'm going to press period. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make another change, trigger event on push of dev. Okay, and so we'll see in our actions, does it trigger now? There we go. So just understand that the template in certain cases will have to be in the branch that you wanted to work on. Sometimes what happens when you have multiple events is like, I will see 2 pushes occur when there was only one. And I've read that can be a bug that was resolved, but in my experience, it sometimes happens. So just understand that these workflows can run multiple times. So make sure that whatever you're running can handle that, okay? But I'd say we are done here. So what I'm going to do is go over to our code, and I'm going to delete the dev branch just so we don't have that stray branch causing us any issues here. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that, which is here. Okay, I think that's deleted, yeah. And we'll go back over to actions, and I want to disable this multi-event thing. So we'll go ahead and disable it. All right, so now it's disabled, and I'll see you in the next one, okay? Ciao.